Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Vipradvishat guna yuta daravinda nabha Padaravinda vimuka shapacham varishtham Manne tadarpita mano vachane hitartha Pranam punati sakulam natu bhuri manaha. If a Brahmana has all the 12 of the Brahminical qualification as they are stated in the book called Sanat Sujata, but is not a devotee and is averse to the lotus feet of the Lord, is certainly lower than a devotee of the dog eater, but has dedicated everything, mind, words, activities, wealth and life to Supreme Lord. Such a devotee is better than a Brahmana because a devotee can purify his whole family, whereas the so-called Brahmana, in a position of false prestige, cannot purify even himself. Very nice shloka. In fact, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, anyone Prabhupada had to fight against this. Birth has become so important. People consider themselves qualified just because of birth. And they are proud. I am born in this family. Hey, Prahlad Maharaj is seeing the reality in front of him. Not only Brahmanas, such big devatas could not satisfy the Lord. So actually every act of the Lord there is deep meaning. इसमें क्या deep meaning है? कि Krishna was not, Narasimha Deva was not satisfied with the prayers of all the devatas. The deep meaning is that what Krishna is satisfied is pure devotion, which only Prahlad Maharaj had. Now, according to the Leela of the Lord, Brahma and Shiva also he was not satisfied. Generally, Brahma and Shiva are also pure devotees. Top devatas are generally pure devotees. But Krishna wanted to point out that pure devotion is very rare. Some of the devatas prayed, I got my apsaras back, thank you Narasimha Deva. Somebody prayed, I got my money back, thanks Narasimha Deva. Somebody said, I was not able to think of you because of fear. हम ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि इतना डर था कि हम आपके बारे में नहीं सोच पा रहे थे. अरे बाबा, प्रहलाद महाराज was in front of him. अटैक तो उस पर हो रहा था. But he was not able to have any problem. He was able to remember Krishna. So we can appreciate the glorious position of Prahlad Maharaj. So then these 12 qualifications, you cannot impress the Lord. Whatever you have. You may have 12 qualifications, but you cannot attract the Lord with that. Krishna is looking for natural, simple affection. With love and affection. Just like when you make the bhoga offering to the Lord. When it is made with love and affection, Krishna will accept. But then somebody will say, how do we get love and affection? Prabhupada says, is there any school, college which says how boys should be attracted to a girl? ऐसा कोई स्कूल कॉलेज है क्या? सिखाया जाता है कैसे लड़का लड़की की तरफ आकर्षित होना? इसको पढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है क्या? नेचुरल है ना? कह रहे? इसके लिए स्कूल की ज़रूरत होती है क्या? कैसे खाना खाना? सबको मालूम है. कैसा सोना? सब लोग जानते हैं. Natural है ये सब. So similarly, the attraction, eating, sleeping, mating, defending, the natural tendencies. So that is already there. But Prabhupada says, even more natural is that affection to Krishna. We don't need to actually, open, how do we get attached? No, it's natural. So we should try. Prabhupada said, don't try to understand Krishna too much. Try to love him. भगवान को आप कितना समझ सकते हो आसान नहीं है. Try to love Krishna. So you have tendencies of affection. But this tendency to affection are put towards our own sense gratification. That's why people do. They put on some girl and they put everything, oh, ऐसी है, ऐसी है. कुछ नहीं है. You have a tendency of affection put towards Krishna. Then your life will be meaningful. तब अपने जीवन में कुछ है. ठीक है? So that tendency is very important. We have Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakta Sadhu Kavinaya Shravanad Shruti Chitta Kara Udaya. जब हम कृष्ण का श्रवण करते हैं, श्रवणादि चुतक we do, then gradually the dormant love for Krishna arises in the heart. It is not artificial, it is natural. ठीक है? अब then, now the position of a Brahmana who has all the qualities, but is not a devotee, very difficult. He cannot do anything. ठीक है? He cannot even purify himself. But then a Vaishnava, he may not be he may not be in a very, very aristocratic birth, born of some big person, but some kula, but some gotra. But because he has become a pure devotee, he can purify his own family. See the difference. A Brahmana has all the so-called, which of the Brahmanas being talked about? All these karmakandis. ये कर्मकांडी जो होते हैं ना, आप बुलाते हैं पूजा के लिए भटरू को, उसकी बात हो रही है इसमें. वो अपना ही फैमिली नहीं बचा सकता. But a Vaishnava who has given, even though he may be born in a not so glorious position, but he has given his heart, mind, body, words to glorify Krishna, he can purify his whole family. Therefore, the greatest service somebody can do to family is not being sentimental, is to become a devotee. You become a devotee, you can do the greatest service to the family because all of them will be blessed by the Lord. But so-called Bhatru, he cannot save himself. He may have qualities. Oh, I can know how to do japa, I know how to do this, I know how to do this. They're so proud actually. But you look at their personal life, there is no devotion to the Lord. That is not manifested. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya Jati Shastra Tapaskriya Apranasya Dehasya Mandalam Rokananjanam. And proper, so America, I said, this is such a beautiful country. But I don't see Bhagavad Bhakti here. Jati Shastram Tapaskriya. Even though there is a great family, Jati, we are American. Shastram, they have great learning. Tapasya, they are doing a lot of hard work. Some wonderful activities. We did this, we did that. They are very proud. Our country did this, did that. List बनाए रहता है. सब ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं छाती फैला के. भगवत भक्ति हीन से जाति शास्त्र तपस्क्रिय अप्राण से देह से मंडलम लोकरंजनम. So a person is not interested. Therefore, this kind of consciousness is only mundane people. Swavidvara ustara kare samsata purusha pashu nayat karna pato peto jatu nama gada grajaha. If somebody does not hear the holy name of the Lord in his ear, hears means with submission and love, no devotion is awakened in his heart, then he starts respecting people who are actually like dogs, hawks, camels and asses. Very, very important point this is. When the devotion awakens in the heart, then we are only drinking devotion. जब अपने दिल में भक्ति खुल जाती है, तो हम उसी को ढूंढ रहे हैं, हर जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं. तभी जब भक्ति नहीं उससे दूर रहते हैं, मन नहीं करता उसको बात है, वो खाली सफोकेशन करता है. We are looking for devotion. Because उसको कुछ और चीज पीने की आदत पड़ जाती है. We get used to drinking devotion. Then all the time we are actually, therefore whenever we get time, we get half an hour, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, सब लोग busy रहते हैं पूरे दिन. But जब भी समय मिलता है क्या करने का, थोड़ा भागवत पढ़ो, थोड़ा जप करो, थोड़ा भक्तों का संग लो. Try to drink Krishna consciousness. But that is not there, then what will happen? We will drink something material consciousness. And then not only that, we will start appreciating. हम कैसे लोगों को इज्जत देने लगेंगे जो एक्चुअली शास्त्र के अनुसार कुत्ते, स्वा, विधवरा, सुअर, उस्तरे, ऊंट, खरे, गधे. समाज के जो लोग हैं चार जानवरों की तरह हैं. क्यों ऐसा है? Why is it so? Why do we call them swa, dog, because without employment they will die. Why we call them Vidvara? Because they will eat anything. There is no discrimination. Ustra, why we call Ustara? Because they are engaged in sinful activities. And why we call them Khara ass? Because they simply want to work hard for no devotion to the Lord. Correct? Din mein 20 घंटा, I am working hard. Khare gadhe. So these four qualities of people actually we should keep away. But when we are not drinking Krishna consciousness and heart has become dry, maybe because of offenses or too much sense gratification, जब इंद्रिय भोग करके या अपराध करके दिल घुल जाता है, तो उस दिल में फिर भक्ति का आनंद नहीं आता, सूख जाता है, सड़ जाता है. So we should not be victim of that situation. We should try very nicely to practice Krishna consciousness, and it is very natural. It is not at all difficult. The process is very easy. We take shelter of a great acharya. ठीक है, उनके जो नियम दिए हुए we try to follow, and as we follow the rules and regulations given by the acharya, gradually bhakti awakens in the heart, and life becomes very, very sweet, as explained in this. But don't get attracted by just by these 12 qualities of Brahman. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको नहीं होना चाहिए, but ये है लेकिन भक्ति नहीं है तो कोई फायदा नहीं. Just like we have the example in Krishna book of कौन से ऐसे ब्राह्मण, 12 क्वालिफिकेशन थी, द्विजपत्नी जया, है ना, लीला होता है ना. Krishna sends them to get some food stuff, and they inform those brahmanas, Krishna is waiting, he is ready, he is hungry, can you give something from the yagna? नहीं दे सकते. What devotion they have developed? खाली यज्ञ कर रहे हैं. They have not developed any devotion to Krishna. The devotion means ready to sacrifice. They are not ready to sacrifice anything. They are all doing karma kanda. अपना कुछ पुण्य होगा. Mostly this karma kandis get focused to some punya. Punya papa. But no, that is not the focus. Most of the astrologers कहाँ बात करते हैं आपका भगवत भक्ति का? कोई बात नहीं करते हो. यहाँ तुम्हारा पाप है, यहाँ तुम्हारा राहु है, यहाँ तुम्हारा केतु है, बस. ये ऐसे भटरू से कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला आपको. ठीक है, we should look for somebody the devotee of Krishna. ठीक है, and then that will, and such a devotee of Krishna is more. In fact, many times Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, even our Srila Prabhupada had this problem. Prabhupada came to India, and there was a classic situation. Somebody told Prabhupada, आप तो ये क्या मलेच्चा यमुना लोगों को जप कराते हो. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले, ठीक है, आप जप करते हो क्या? नहीं, हम जप नहीं करते. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले, आप तो इनसे भी नीच हो, वो एटलीस्ट जप तो करते हैं. बहुत फेमस स्टेटमेंट. बहुत गुस्सा हो गया था प्रभुपाद जी, उनको बोला नीच बोल रहा था. तो आप तो उनसे भी नीच हो, वो जप तो करते हैं कम से कम. तो भागवतम ना, प्रभुपाद सेड इट इज सर्टिफाइड हियर इन द भागवतम. ऐसा नहीं है कि आचार्य ने कोई ऐसा चीज बोला जो भागवत में नहीं है. करेक्ट, हमको भी ये इस्कॉन का रिवॉल्यूशन टाइप है. हम लोग इस चीज़ को कहाँ देखते हैं? कोई हम देखते हैं किसी का जन्म को मतलब ही नहीं हो सही, इसको इंटरेस्ट है कृष्ण कॉन्शियस. यस, करेक्ट, यही क्वालिफिकेशन है. एनीबडी कम्स टू टेम्पल, कहीं पूछते हैं क्या तुम्हारा जन्म क्या था? हमको इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, वहाँ उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. तुमको कृष्ण कॉन्शियस इंटरेस्ट है? हाँ. जब करोगे? हाँ, वी आर रेडी. उसको ट्रेन करके ब्राह्मण क्या सन्यासी सब बन जाते हैं इस्कॉन में. वाई देन? उसके लिए ऐसा हो सकता है लोग, ये कर्मकांडी लोग बहुत फॉल्ट दिखाएंगे. उधर लिखा है ब्राह्मण होने का, उधर लिखा है, लिखा है ना भागवत में, क्लियर लिखा है. नहीं, क्या लिखा है? इट डज नॉट मैटर वेयर ही इज बॉर्न, ही कैन बिकम ग्रेटर देन द ब्राह्मण हु ऑल नोज पठन पाठन, ऐसे हाथ धोने का, ऐसे वो करने का, ऐसा करने का, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं करने का. इन अमेरिका also when Prabhupada opened the movement and devotees were doing आरती, and definitely in the beginning there are some mistakes. तो प्रभुपाद जी वो राइट हैंड से ये कर दिया, लेफ्ट हैंड से ये चट कर दिया. प्रभुपाद he did not bother. Even in India it happened. The yagnas happening for something and then local brahmanas वो गलती कर दिया वो. He did not bother because he was seeing the main thing. Because had Prabhupada lost himself in this rules and regulation, movement would have stopped, not even opened. Therefore, yena kena upayena mana Krishna nishevayat sarva vidhi nishedasho etayor eva kinkaraha. Everything becomes a servant of this principle. What is the main principle? Yena kena upayena mana Krishna nishevayat. Somehow fix the mind of somebody on Krishna. That's why somebody comes to temple, क्या करते हैं? उसको नियम की लिस्ट बता देते हैं क्या? हरे कृष्ण जप करो. किसी तरह उसका मन कृष्ण में लगाओ. If you fix his mind on Krishna, other विधि निषेधा will follow. अदरवाइज विधि निषेध ही देखते रहोगे. उसने ये कर दिया, राइट हैंड उधर लगा दिया, लेफ्ट हैंड उधर लगा दिया, तुम्हारी जिंदगी उसी में रह जाएगी. You will not be able to. You will practically, we can say you are a useless as a preacher because nobody will follow you. You will not have any following. ठीक है? Because your focus is lost. Focus is somehow puts people mind on Krishna. That is our focus. Rest vidhi nisheda will come. It's not very primary. So here we see that the Brahmana may have all these 12 qualifications, all waste, if he is not become a sincere devotee. And devotee means devotee of devotee. Devotee doesn't mean devotee of Krishna. Dasa, dasa, anudasa, dasa, anudasa, dasa, anudasa. That is a devotee. Okay? He is humble. He likes to serve devotees. That is a devotee. Devotee, there is nobody devotee of Krishna directly. Okay, na? The devotee means he has a desire to serve devotee. Then we know he is a devotee. So here it's very nice. So Prabhupada is encouraging. Bhagavatam Prahlad Maharaj is encouraging what? That we become a sincere devotee, and this sincere devotion is natural. Just like attraction between boys and girls are natural, our devotion to Krishna is also natural. It is not difficult. Just like you meet your father after a very long time or your mother after a very long time, कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती, कैसे affection आए, natural आता है. मेहनत करनी पड़ती क्या? मेहनत. अपने दोस्त को मिल रहा है बहुत टाइम बाद, थोड़ा मेहनत करना है, कैसे affection है? नहीं, natural. So similarly, devotion to Krishna is most natural. Most natural. तो थोड़ा कोशिश करो ना. दिल में प्यार है, इधर उधर बिखरा के रखा हुआ है, रिश्तेदारों में, कुत्ते बिल्लियों में, चिड़ियों में, कहाँ का लोग बिखार के रखे हैं, सब निकालो सब जगह से, और उसको give it to Krishna. Prabhupada says in Krishna book, that is the art of Krishna. That is the art of Krishna. सब जगह से निकाला, जब जाओ तुम. Everything is duty. No need to give love anywhere. Take it from, होता ना वापस लेना, सबसे वापस ले लो. जितना इकट्ठा हो गया, then give it to Krishna. That's it. That's the perfection of your loving. So give your love to Krishna. Yes, Krishna. And then it's natural. It's just you are awakening it. It's awakening it. You give it to Krishna, he will definitely reciprocate very nicely. And then you'll feel, as reciprocation grows, your spiritual life will also develop. विश्वपाद भक्त सिद्धांत गोसाई महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय।